how are you? Yeah, ever since our childhood, our teachers taught us that water is a bad conductor of electricity, right? But when I was in class 9th standard, when I was going to play with the water, which is near my induction rod, my parents taught that don't touch the water when it is boiling. Reason? You will get electric shock. But my teacher taught that water is a bad conductor of electricity. But my parents denied to touch it. I asked myself why we should not touch the water when it is boiling using the induction rod. So in today's experiment, we are going to learn how the water can be conducted, right? So for that, before going to start our experiment, I would like to tell you what are the things that I have used in this experiment. Good. So to start the experiment, I have taken a bowl of distilled water, which means no minerals, no any impurities, pure water I have taken in a plastic bowl. Why I took a plastic bowl? Because it is a non-conductor. Yes. Then I have taken table salt, which is our daily use salt, which is consists of sodium chloride, NaCl. Then to show whether the water can conduct electricity or not, I have taken bulb. If it is glow, yes, it tells that it is conducting. If it is not glowing, obviously there is no current. So before that, I would like to show you the connections. What the connections I have made. I have taken 5-meter wire. In that, one hand of the wire have been connected direct to the bulb, while the other hand is connected to the ball. Got it? Simultaneously, with respect to the bulb also, I have done the same. I have connected through the container. Okay. So before going to start our experiment, I will show you how the water, which is non-conductor of electricity. So let me show you one example here. Okay. Just now I have turned on, even though I have connected these wire through the bulb, I couldn't see any electricity passing through it. How we have confined it? The bulb is not glowing. Now what will happen? You will see. Can you come forward? Yeah. So now you can see me. I am going to add salt to it while I am doing this experiment. You can clearly see here. I am adding salt to it. Okay. Now after adding the salt, what I am going to do here, I will just wait a moment. I am going to stir it. Yeah. So now you can see I am going to stir this solution. Why I am stirring it up? In order to avoid the precipitate of salt. So after mixing it well, I have dissolved the salt inside the water properly. Now let's see the magic. What will going to happen with this salt water? Okay. I am going to turn on the switch. Let's see the magic. There it is. So it is confirmed that the water, pure water, does not conduct electricity. Water with any minerals like salts can conduct electricity. So that's the reason our parents are not allowed to touch the water, because our tap water contains minerals, salts like sodium and chloride. Now you may get a question. Why the water with salt conducting electricity? The reason, the salt molecules, the salt ions, sodium and chloride will continuously moving, which itself saying that movement of ions conduct electricity. From this experiment, we got to know that salt water can conduct electricity. That's it guys. Have a happy learning. See you.